I am trying to make every student capable of understanding concepts even if they don't have hefty amount of money to pay the coaching institutes. I used to be an average student who generally takes more time compared to the brilliant students in understanding the concepts. I did went to coaching in senior secondary school for the preparation of JEE Mains examination but did not succeed, and I realized coachings are not made for me. Therefore, for GATE preparation, I didn't go to any coaching, but to clear doubts, particularly from communication systems and analog electronics, I took help from YouTube. After clear understanding of topics, you should solve previous year questions for that particular exam which you are aiming for and practice sample questions as many as possible. I have secured All India rank 36 in GATE 2023 and have also cleared various state level examinations like UPMRC. Here in this lecture series, we will study control systems, which is a useful subject for instrumentation, electronics and communication, as well as electrical engineering students. Control system uses few topics of signal systems, which is a complete subject in itself. Here, I will cover only those topics of signal systems which will be helpful in understanding the concepts of control system. First question should be, what is a control system? Control system can be defined as a combination of elements arranged in a planned manner wherein each element causes an effect to produce a desired output. The most important term in this whole definition is elements. Elements here can refer to a variety of components like resistance, capacitance, inductance, MOSFET, BJT, springs, plank, weights, etc. So, the knowledge of electrical circuits can also be combined with topics of control system to make tricky questions. If you consider GATE, particularly of three branches which are instrumentation, electronics and electrical engineering. Similarly, if you consider the ESE syllabus for electrical and electronics engineering, then all these three subjects are present in all these exams irrespective of branches with approximately the same syllabus. The syllabus for control system is slightly more in instrumentation engineering. Tricky questions can be framed by using topics of other domains. However, the probability of these tricky questions being asked is only present in GATE. Otherwise, the questions are straightforward in other competitive exams where the number of questions might be relatively high compared to GATE, but the difficulty level of questions is comparatively less. These exams are difficult not because of the difficulty level of the questions, but because of huge syllabus. Even if you are preparing for GATE, don't start your preparation with tricky questions directly. First, have good understanding of different subjects separately, and laterwards try to connect different topics of different subjects. Consider a control system of a simple multiplier. Here, the current I is the input of the control system and the current 2I is the output of the control system. You should be concerned about input, output and control system only. In the beginning, you have to restrict your curiosity trying to know how is this control system is actually designed. This particular control system can have inductance, resistance, capacitance, MOSFET, BJT and so many other components which you may study in other subjects. To understand all these things, you may have to study electrical circuits, analog electronics, advanced electronics, which will ultimately consume a lot of time and will deviate you from this particular subject. So, in the beginning at least, we need not to think that deep about the components of control system. Otherwise, you will remain confused. In the end, as per the requirement of the topics, we will try to make very simple control systems by using simple elementary electrical components.